What's up, guys? So we got this Silverado that came in with a misfire. So we went through our process to diagnose it, did a data log. Cylinder 5 was completely dead. So we checked a couple things, checked compression. It had low compression. So we're doing a leak down now. So we calibrated our tool. It's showing a over 60% leak in cylinder 5. So it'll either be leaking through the crankcase, which would mean like a bad piston, bad rings, intake, which would be bad intake valve, or exhaust, which would mean bad exhaust valve. So in this case, when you put your hand over the throttle body, you can hear it. So intake valve is leaking, cylinder 5. And that's how you properly diagnose. You don't just guess and tell the customer, hey, you need a whole long block. It needs heads. So we'll probably take off both heads, have them rebuilt, possibly replace the valves, and get this thing back on the road.